Hello, students. Welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education. Today, we are going to read a short poem named The Peacock and the Crane. So, let's begin with the chapter 6 of English The Peacock and the Crane. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. So, when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Look at my feathers, he boasted. How they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. I am dressed like a king. That's true, the crane answered. But I can fly high above, among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. Some words which you might have found difficult. Conceited means very proud, vain, or arrogant. Gorgeous, beautiful, magnificent, stunning. Scoffed at means laughed at. Here, the peacock laughed at the crane rudely and scornfully. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. So, this was the moral of the story or the poem, which means the saying fine feathers make fine birds is used as a negative sense to indicate that looks or flashy clothes may not be very important after all. So, we should not judge anyone by its appearance. Questions 1. Read the following sentences carefully and choose the correct meaning. The peacock had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. No other bird had a tail. The peacock's tail was more beautiful than any other bird's. All birds had gorgeous tail. B. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. You cannot use feathers to make birds. You can judge something by its outward appearance or beauty. Something that looks beautiful may not really be useful. Question 2. The story aloud or presented in groups of 3. The narrator, the peacock, and the crane. Question 3. Imagine you are the crane. What actions and words of the peacock would you not like? Write about it in short. Question number 4 says, discuss what a friendly and good-natured peacock would say to a crane. Write his speech in 5 to 8 lines. Question number 5. Find one more example which shows that beautiful appearance is not enough. Question 6. List 5 adjectives and 5 nouns from the story. 7. Find 5 adjectives that end with A, full, and B, less. Then write the antonym of each. Antonym means opposites. 8. Start a collection of proverbs. A proverb is a short, well-known sentence or phrase that gives advice or tells you what is generally true. For example, a stitch in time saves 9 means if one does not say something in time or immediately, it saves a lot of work later. A proverb is also known as saying. Here are some proverbs for your collection. A. Appearance can be deceptive. B. Don't judge by appearance. A rich heart may be under a poor coat. C. All that glitters is not gold. D. You can't tell a book by its cover. E. Clothes do not make the man. Question number 9. Visit a library. This story is a fable. Find two more fables. Share them with your friends. That's it for the class today. Thank you.